Alright, so yesterday I got the cams on, got everything crack-a-lacking. Now, got that on. Torque down everything right. Now I got these bolts right here that go on inside of the cams right here. So these are gonna be 20 Newton meters and then 180 degrees an angle. So we're gonna get that cracking. So we're gonna do 20 Newton meters. So I'm gonna do the 20 Newton meters. Alright, so I got this cracking now. So I did the 20 Newton meters on each side, marked it, and now we're gonna do 180 degrees. $180 degrees on one side. Next one. So that's done. Alright, so I got everything tightened down, all that. Let's see if we messed the motor up or not. Spin the motor now. See what happens. Cylinder 1 should be at the top. I feel it right there. So that's perfect. there, top dead. All right. So that's done. Motor spins. Next, gonna be the valve cover. All right, so yeah, my camera died earlier, but what I did do is I tightened down all the cams to spec. So first is 8 Newton meters, and then after the 8 Newton meters is 60 degrees on each bolt. So I have marked everyone to make sure. So everyone, I got the red tab for show. That's how I know that was 8 Newton meters, and then the stripe is the 60 degrees. Did that on all of them. Everything's tightened down the spec. Also on the front cam gear bolts, I tighten those up and I put new bolts because you can't reuse these bolts, so you got to get new bolts. I put new bolts in there. And then these, when you put these in, you put these in with WD-40. Don't put these in dry. These are not meant to go in dry, so don't do that. These bolts are meant to go in dry. These bolts are not meant to go in dry. You're supposed to use WD-40. So do that. Torque it down. That's torqued down. And then yeah, you also make sure none of the lifters come off anything. Make sure everything's solid, everything's straight. All the lifters are on and nothing fell off. And then once you do that, do what I do. You feel me? Do that, get it cracking. Then turn the motor, make sure everything's good again. And then you're good. But what I do when I turn the motor is I take the spark plugs out. So that way, it's just constant turns. There's nothing pushing you back. So I took the spark plugs out, constant turns, turn the motor, everything's good. So yeah, man, now it's time to put the valve cover on next. So then I'm gonna do the valve cover, and then we'll start putting piece on piece back slowly, getting it cracking, right? Whatever, man, I decided to just throw the valve cover on at first. I wasn't gonna do it, you know? I'm like, I might as well do it. Double check, make sure everybody's in Gucci. We shall go from there. Right? Make sure nothing's in the way. Make sure everything's Gucci. There it is. Valve cover's back on. And now I'm just gonna go down over all the bolts and do what it do.